Hello, this is Ripon Hussain Chopol, and in today's video, we will discuss about a very important thing of our uh, Redux framework series. So, in this video, we will discuss about if we could manage the options to just drag and drop and disable and enable any sections in our Redux framework. Something like this. We'll have some options like this: the enable section, like we'll name the header top bar, then the menu area, then the breadcrumb area, then the slider area. And in the disable options, we can drag and drop these things here from there to this disable sections. We'll make that on these options here, so you can have a look on that. So if we just drag and drop these sections, then this top bar area, this will be hidden. If we enable it, this will start again working. Then again, if we don't like the suppose like this bar here for the full menu, we don't want to show in our website, something like this, or like we don't want to show this part here, the breadcrumb area. So if we just drag and drop that, enable this or disable this. So if we could make a options for that for our customer, that will be a great options to work with. So let's see that how we can do that. So for making that, we'll make a new sections here, like block page options or footer. We'll make it to header. So for that, we will go on our options here again. In this we will, yeah, before this we'll start here now. Then we will copy this one, or we can copy this full one here. We can copy it and we'll paste it here. And in here I will write like header options, header option, take this, I'll rename it to header. This is the option for header area. Okay, header area. And you can check the icon list of this. I will keep it to home, and then in here I will write header option again, header option. And obviously we need to change the area here, so header area, because there will be many part of this things now. So I'll just remove this array from here, because I need to put the array that I want to give. So that array will be sorter. So this name comes with the sorter, because this is meaning that we are sorting this and this here. So if we go down a little bit below, then from this array to here we need to copy. So I'll copy it, then I will paste it here. Then I need to synchronize this a little bit, because all the time it's get a little bit messy. I need to remove this also. And if I go to my I need to change the ID here, that home page blocks. I don't need to set the home page blocks. I will set to header blocks. Okay, so I'll set it to header blocks, and the type, that is sorter. And the title, it need to be to translate it as well, so we will set it like this. So I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Then I need to set the text domain to TechBeach. This is very very important. Otherwise, otherwise anything that will be not standard now. Same as the description. So I will paste it here, and here I need to set the TechBeach as a text domain. Otherwise, this will be not translated as well. And like this. And in the enabled sections by default, okay, in the enabled sections we are having highlights and the text. This one can be also translated, so you need to do that. I will skip it for now, because I hope that you understand that how to make any string translatable for the WordPress. So all these things need to be do that, this highlight, slider, static page, and the services as well. And in the disabled area you can set any ones too. If I go here in my backend and give a refresh, and in the header options you will see this area. If I drag and drop this part here, highlights or slider, and click on save changes, you see the changes here that is already happening. But this will not affect in our front end because we don't have may write any code for this front end part. So for that we'll do that too. But for now we need to change here like header top bar, okay, because this is the not same area that we are working on. So top bar header top bar. I will write here with the translation. So esc html double underscore then the things, then I will remove this full part from here and I will write header top bar, header top header top bar, then the text domain as techbiz, and then after that we will write header menu area, okay, menu area, menu area. So we will work on this two part only because we are not having so many things here in this area. We are having the top bar and we are having this full menu area, so we will work on that because it's similar like on other sections as well. So we have done our blocks thing. So if I go now and give it refresh, then the disabled area will be like this. So we can enable it again here and click on save, and if I give refresh nothing will happen now because I haven't write any code there. Now I need to go on that place that header top bar and this menu area is located at. So that is located on hooks function. As if you have followed my previous episode, then you will know that. In here we have already global our OPT, the Redux framework that recommend, otherwise it will not work properly. Now I need to go here in the sorter. So if I go here and you can check your value as well like in this way. So if I check it in here, if I check it, if I just write PHP code here to check it that is it working or not. So this way, so this Redux demo that need to be changed to TechBiz OPT, and that homepage blocks, this one need to be this header blocks because we have changed the ID, so we need to change the ID here. So I will paste it here and we just print var this area here, and you can see enable column is this one. As you can see, header menu area and header top bar, these two is enabled here. Now the other things that is we need to know about for each loop for knowing this one better. So we'll select our layout here, we take this variable here like this. As you can see here, this TechBiz OPT that will be here, and the value header blocks that need to be here, and it is enabled. So the layout is inside the TechBiz OPT that is recommended by the Redux framework, and it is required obviously. And then the header blocks, as you can see here with the inside the array, you can see the blocks name here with header top or the slider name that is here header menu area. So we have got the layout ID here. So I'll remove this. I'll remove it and I will copy from here that if the layout is having, if there is any value to the layout, no? So if I go here and paste it here, if the layout is having enabled, there is any sections, okay, then this for each loop will work. So for each, I need to end this if layout now. So this if layout will be end here where our condition is ending. So in here our condition is ending, so PHP end if. And obviously this for each loop that also need to be end here as well. So before indif we need to end the curly braces as well. So if the layout is having any value, then this for each loop will start work, otherwise it will not work. If it is having on to the like all of the options is on disabled, then it will not check this value at all. So we need to make sure that the value is here, then it will start working, the loop will start work. So after making the loop, we need to you need to know about the switch case also, otherwise it will be difficult for you guys, I know it well. So for switch, the PHP that recommends this. So if we go to switch, then the key, then if the case, and you can see the curly braces started, then that curly braces need to be finished as well at the bottom. So in the bottom here we need to finish the curly braces again here again for finishing that one. So in here switch, then we need to make sure that the case is slider. Okay, if the case is slider, so in our case the case is header top bar. Okay, in our case the case is header top bar. If you can think it like this, if it is header top bar, then it will break here. I hope that you have watched some basic PHP. So PHP we need to break it here. So break, if you can see here, the break had started again here. Now if the case is highlights, again here in the break where the break ends, then if the case is highlights, then the container will be shown. So in here we will give break again, okay. So we have write our conditions for showing this two part. Now if I go here in here and click on save changes again, and if I give a refresh here, then this two part is coming perfectly. Okay, let me check. Okay, header top bar and the another case that we have set it. Yeah, the case that is highlights. Now because the highlights we are not having any kind of case, we are having slider, as you can see. So this slider need to be in header menu area. Header menu area. If I copy it and if I paste it here, okay, then it's the perfect one. If I give a refresh now here, then you can, okay, we need to refresh here a bit. You can see here the ID has been changed, that's why. So we need to make sure that the header menu is coming here as well. Now I need to click on save changes. Now if I give a refresh here, then you can see the top bar as well as the full menu area here. Now if I just remove the header top bar to disable sections and click on save changes save button, and if I give a refresh here, the top bar is fully gone. Okay, I need to remove this 1 to 3 now, that is disturbing a bit. So I was giving some things here. Okay, so I have just disabled that. Okay, that is also gone. Now if I again keep this header top bar here and click on save changes and give a refresh, then the top bar is again here. Okay, and if you can check that out too na, and if I give this top bar header top bar in the top again and click on save changes, then if I give a refresh, it is going to the up section as well. So it is not only enabling or disabling our things, it is having the options to exchange the sections between them as well. If I take the header menu to the top and click on save changes, then you will see this top bar area, that the logo area actually, that will go to the up, and the header top bar that is coming at the bottom. Now there is also a menu sections in here. As you can see, we can make the options for that too. as you can see here, the sticky wrapper one. So we can make another one uh, this one. No, this one is the real menu area. So we'll name it to another one, header, header block, and this one is header menu area. So this is header block, block, header block. So we have name it header block and header menu area, and header block is this one, the second one that we have just here, give it here. This one is the case of header block, and the last one. So this in if condition, this one need to be go here at the bottom here. So we'll just copy it, and paste it here with the break, and this indif and the curly braces that need to be removed from here, and we need to start again another case. So after break we will give it like if the case is this. So if the case is header menu area in here, if I give the header menu area case, then this will start work again. Now if I go here and give a refresh, you will see three things here. One is header menu, header top bar, and header block. Header block means this top area, that the logo area. Now if I give a refresh now, you will not see that part. Now if I want to header top bar to be on the top and header menu will be here, and click on save changes, and if I give a refresh, then you will see the top bar is there and the menu area is there. And another thing that is missing, that is header block, I will put it in middle of these two. So if I click on save changes and if I give a refresh here, then you will see the magic that is here. Now I want to remove the top bar and keep it disable, and click on save changes button, and if I give a refresh, then okay, the top bar is gone. Now it's looking pretty fine as well. So your customer is having a lot of options to select and deselect the options. He can customize, like can make it to the top or bottom as he wants. So if you have any question with this query, then you can comment below, and this will be the last one in the Redux options framework. If you need anything like in this field, the other things is easy, so you can do that part too. And if you want to know about more, please comment below. I will make sure that I will make on some video on this topic too. So thank you very much. Hope this one is the end of our Redux framework options. Thank you very much. See you in our next episode.